Hello, friend. You guys, you see this box that I got? Okay. So, today, we're going to unbox this huge box. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Anyways, it's for our health. God, this thing is heavy. I've been eyeing this product, so you know the deal. If you can't sleep it, buy it, okay? So I'm gonna go for this. So this is a nako. Ayan guys, hindi ko na mag-open. Okay, you guys, this is a TV. I told my husband this is not so big, so he won't get upset with me, but it looks like it's big. Okay. Oh my god. I'm too small for this. Yeah. Woo. Help. Oh my god, this is so big. Fresh from their factory. Here's the thing, you guys. I'm not good in assembling stuff, but you know, I'm going to do everything I can. So this is a booty sprout. I purchased this on Thursday and I received this product on Saturday, okay? It's like Amazon Prime. So let me just stick this up on this. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I know what is this. So this is a pad. Number 1, this one. Number 2. I'm not good at this. I'm not good, but I'll try. You do this. Oh, perfect. So this is the headrest. And you lock this here. Oh, perfect. So, I did it. Hi guys, so today I already filmed this and I think my battery died or I need to go to work because I'm late, but today again I'm going to show you. I just got back from my gym and I already have some stretching going on. So I already use this for about 2 weeks now and I'm telling you it's really great, but the reason why I get this because the Smith machine in the gym does not really work for me because it does not go all the way down and I'm so short and I can't do hip thrust in our gym here. So I already showed this to you. It has a notch here. So you pull this and there you go, you have it. It has a notch here as well. And you pull this. I like it because your carpet or even your hard floor is safe because it has this, whatever you call this one. So we're going to pull this and then lay this down like that. And there you have it. Oops. You pull this again because it's gonna let this stick out. There you go. And this one, you guys, it comes with, this is 45 pounds each. So you just attach it here. And I show this to you, this is something that you put in here. Because hip thrust, sometimes it really hurts in this area. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? So 45 pounds, and today I'm gonna show it to you. It's pretty sturdy, it's really good, and I'll take this headset out because I can't even hear myself. Bought this, and I also bought the 70 pound. For short people like me, yo, this is going to be our friend because it's so hard for me to even get into that chair when you do the hip thrust. So this is really perfect. So first I'm gonna do is, I like that comes with a pad, This is just 45 pounds, and y'all, I'm telling you, this thing is the bomb. So I'm just gonna do this. So when you do hip thrust, I mean, I'm not a pro or whatever, but I watched this, I think his name is a glute doctor, so I really like watching what's the right form when you do the hip thrust. So basically, I don't know what you call this, I think scalpel or whatever the term of that. So you basically put your back here, and then the only thing that moves when you do hip thrust is basically your upper body. So I'm just gonna start at 45 pounds. So this thing is really good. I love hip thrust because I can see the result. I've been doing this for a while. So this here is, if you're a beginner, it's really good to have it. So I'm gonna try this too. And this is about 90 pounds. And yo, this is heavy, like it's very heavy. So I'm just gonna do again. You see, if you're short, this is gonna be your friend. So, like, you can feel the burn when you do it right. It is really, really good. And my bum bum is burning when you do it right. So yeah, I really like that it comes with this pad. It comes with 3, so you know you kind of have, if you're starting out, it's good to have it. And if you know, if you're kind of not pro, but if you've been doing this for a while, you can have this 3. And what I like it is you can buy more of this strap if you want more strength. And what you can do is you can also add bands, you know, just to give you some resistance. And yeah, what do you call this? Just so you know, this is not a sponsor. I bought this with my own money, and this is only they only shipped this for about 2 days. I ordered today, and then the next 2 days I received it. It comes with a big box. You guys saw that. And how much is it? I think it's $160 or $180. I'm not sure, but if you don't feel like going to the gym, I really recommend this one, you guys. And you know, we have a small space, but I still able to manage to put this somewhere and just take it out and do my hip thrust. And one thing that you need to understand, you guys, and I bet you guys know this, I'm just saying this in my experience, that if you do hip thrust without the right nutrients, no proteins, it's not gonna work out. At the end of the day, it brings to what you eat, what you put in your body. And you know, for us who doesn't have any booty, this is gonna be our friend. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Did I miss anything? This thing, and y'all, this thing, it will sweat you out. So I do it for 50. I start with 2, 3, and I have 70 pounds. For I do it 50 reps, the right form, and of course right food. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you, honey, for taking this video. What else? I guess that's it. Try it, you guys. It's really good to have it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? I'll see you again on my next video. So enjoy your booty sprout. Bye. Okay, guys, before I forgot, I took my jacket because I'm sweating. And this is just what I learned along the way is, hold on, I'm catching my breath. Glute activation is very important. That's just what I learned when, you know, when I try to build muscle in my, you know, booty. I'm still doing it. That's just, yeah. I just want to insert that over there because, and if you want to know what's glute activation, please go to another video on YouTube. Because that's what I do. You know, I try to do, you know, those booty gains right. And in nutrition, go as well, find on YouTube because there's a lot of, you know, free resource, you guys. So yeah, before I forget. And now I'm gonna continue doing it. It's burning, like saying. So yeah, I just wanna dance, I just wanna